Afternoon, Agent Engine Carbon Clean. We've got a VW Golf 2012 2-litre TDI. This one's on 147,000 on the clock. Now the owner's booked us to come and have a look at this one. It's got a vibration, a couple of bits and pieces going wrong with it in terms of the drive. Diagnostics in. First thing we found, throttle pedal position sensor switch A circuit. That certainly explains one of the symptoms he's getting when he's driving around in terms of some of the stuttering. The main issue with this in terms of the engine appears to be flywheel. You can hear it chattering away there as it's going around. You've got a vibration at idle as well. So the vibration at idle appears to be a little bit of wear on the engine mounts. That vibration disappears as you raise the revs ever so slightly at about 1,000, and then get the revs up to about 1,200 to 1,800, and the vibration's back again with a vengeance, and that's from the flywheel. So got a pedal position sensor to sort on this one, the flywheel to sort, get that done, then see what the mounts are like. That residual wobble at idle makes me think the mounts are a little bit worn as well. Apart from that, 147,000 on the clock. It's a typical amount of carbon to expect in it. Doing the clean now, it's a lot smoother and quieter than it was, but it's certainly brought that wobble from the flywheel and the engine mounts to the fore. Now we've got the engine cleaned up. Other than that, all the other live data looks pretty much spot on.